Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about and specifically show you the Honda Odyssey spare tire location so that you can get to it easily in a very simplistic tutorial. That's right, this is where the spare tire is with regards to your Honda Odyssey van. This is a 2022 Honda Odyssey van. It is my van, and one time I got a flat tire. I had to quickly locate the spare tire and I didn't know where it was. I looked in the trunk, it wasn't there. I looked under the rear of the van, it wasn't there, and I was like, where is it? And I found it, so I figured that I would sort of show you where it is. And yeah, it's pretty easy to access as long as you know where it is. So you want to try, it's easier to separate the seats and remove the middle seat. So there's usually a middle seat over here, okay? This is the back, like this is the center row of seats. There's usually a middle seat over here. It's easier to remove that middle seat. It's easier to get to the spare tire by removing the middle seat and separating the two seats over here using the sliding seats feature, okay? Then the spare tire, let me flip my screen around so I can sort of show you. The spare tire is essentially under this mat. So this is where the rear, the center seat of the center rear seats would go. So these are the seats that I've separated. That's the center seat that I've removed. And we don't keep that seat there because we have 4 young kids. So we have 4 car seats. So I slide these seats all the time. I don't usually keep the center seat there anyways, but you would remove that and you would separate these seats underneath your mat over here. Okay, you're gonna lift up the mat. This is the center console just for reference in the front. Underneath the mat, you're gonna lift the mat up. There is going to be a little lever over here, a little pull tab. You're gonna pull this up over here. This will pull up the carpet, okay? So as you can see, you can pull up the carpet, and then your spare tire is gonna be right over there. So you're gonna actually have to like literally hold this up. And I would recommend that you remove your mat that's on top completely. But you're gonna lift that up, and inside of there is your spare tire. And then you can, take the appropriate steps to remove the spare tire, but that's where it is, right over there. Then you can release that, and then you can put your mat back down, and you're golden. That's basically it. Hopefully you never have to use it because, like I said, especially I have 4 young kids, so there's all like I clean the van because I'm doing videos with the van today. But typically there's all sorts of stuff everywhere in the van. So it's a pain to kind of remove all this stuff if your van's messy and then get to the spare tire like that, but that's where it is. And that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.